I am all the Sith.
And I... I'm all the Jedi.
No, you're absolutely not.
On screen, waste of pixels, you are.
You were the chosen one. You were supposed to be well written, not suck.
Jar Jar f***ing Binks had better character development than you.
Yes.
Dude, you stole my screen time, sucker.
Fear leads to anger. Anger leads to hate. Watching you leads to suffering.
Oh shit.
What about the droid attack on the Wookiees?
You carry a lightsaber, but we do not grant you the rank of Jedi.
What? This is outrageous. It's unfair.
Take a seat, young wannabe Skywalker.